Introducing the EZCapture LED Fan Bug Trap, a chemical-free pest solution providing safety to kids and pets with the power of suction. Your unit includes EZCapture, 5 glue boards, a power adapter, a cleaning brush, and a user guide. Quiet-operated compact trap with modern design for indoor and outdoor operation, perfect for catching fruit flies, gnats, and other flying bugs. Setting it up is incredibly easy. Power it on by connecting the power adapter to the side and plugging the trap into a power outlet. Flying insects will be attracted by the long-lasting UV LED light. Not to mention, it also has a convenient 8 and 12-hour timer. To install or replace the glue board, simply twist and remove the bottom basket from the main body. Remove the protective film from the glue board and place it flat inside the designated base of the basket. Maintenance is simple with the included brush to remove debris. Enjoy cleaner, pest-free spaces with EZCapture.